28's a good Algebra 2 review problem. Always good to look at log problems. In their little example hint here, they've got e to the 3 natural log 7. And they change that to, they take this 3 and they actually put it outside, and they kind of skip this step of e to the natural log 7. So one thing I want to look at is what they're kind of skipping over right here. E to the natural log is e to the log base e of 7. And so the rule is, when these match, when these bases match, then you can just bring down the number. So that's why this is just 7, why this parenthesis just becomes 7. So I'll do another example like 2 to the log base 2 of 13, because the bases match would just be 13. So that's one of those recognition things that we need to know. And then the other rule they did here was moving this 3. If you have a value in front of a log, this power property allows you to put that coefficient on top of the number in the log. So that would be the same as log base 2 of a cubed. So using these couple of examples, let's take a look. Our first one is almost the exact same. This 3 can come here. So I've got e to the log base e of x cubed. Because these match, the x cubed just comes down. Let's take a look at the next one. And the next one, I might encourage you to actually use the property the other way. I move this power to the front. So you've got 5x times the natural log of e. Now the natural log of e is log base e of e, which we should know e to what power is e. This is just 1. So it's 5x times 1. So our answer there is 5x. Very similar here. A square root is a 1/2 power. So we can rewrite that as log of 10 to the x to the 1/2. We can multiply these. So it's actually log of 10 to the 0.5x, and that power can go to the front, 0.5x times the log of 10. The log of 10 is very similar to the natural log of e. 10 to what power is 10? 1. So your answer there is 0.5x. And I think in our last one, if we use our addition property, we can rewrite that as 10 cubed times 10 to the log of x. And then it looks pretty similar to this problem here. 10 cubed is just 1,000. 10 to the log base 10 of x, because these bases match again, the x gets to just come down. Go math.